doing bubble braid pigtails. I love wearing this hairstyle. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this look when I wore it before. People on the street stopped me and asked me about it. So I thought it would be fun to record it and show you how I do it. The great part also is that you don't need any heat. You just need a hairbrush, some hair elastics, and some bobby pins. So inexpensive and cute and easy to do. So if you want to see how I got this bubble braid hair look, just keep on watching. So I've shied away from doing anything hair related for a while, but I feel like I want to share some of the looks that I wear. A look that I commonly wear is where I pull my hair back like this kind of, and then I make a messy bun on top. I am going to record that at some point or another because that's a look that I wear all the time. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, check the video right before this one. It is a makeup tutorial for this look, which I love. Back to what we were talking about, which is hair. Let's just get right into this look, shall we? So I will just talk through it a little bit as I go. I am going to brush through my hair, and just so you know, all of this is my hair pulled into my wig. All of this is my wig. All of this is my wig. Only these pieces are my hair. So you know, in case you're wondering, oh, it's UPS. They're delivering my Amazon stuff. Yay! I'm just sitting in front of the window watching the UPS guy get my Amazon stuff and getting very excited because why not? But what I do first is just brush through my hair. Whenever I do hair, I always do. As you can see, the waves stayed really nicely on this side and not on this side. So when your hair is a bit unstyled, a little bit dirty, it's a good idea to do braids. Dirty hair is the best hair for playing with. If you want to do braids or any other look, do it on dirty hair. It kind of styles best, I find. I'm not going to put any product in my hair today. If my hair was a little bit knotty, I would put a deep conditioner on or like a conditioning treatment. But for this situation, not necessary. Hashtag not a hair professional. Just making sure everyone knows that. So I'm just splitting my hair in half. I'm going to get quite close like this and make a side pigtail. Because I'm going to make 2 braids because that's just a look I do the most often. I always make pigtail braids. Like if I'm wearing braids, you're gonna see pigtail braids. I think that's because symmetry is my best friend, and I just love things that are symmetrical and even. And then I'm just wrapping a elastic rubber band around that, and I just kind of pull that quite close, like I split it and pull it up so that it's quite close to my ear. By the way, I always use this brush. I like the Wet and Silky by Cala better than the Tinkle Teaser, so if you can still get this online, I'll try to link it. You need one of these, and they're better than the Tinkle Teaser because they have an actual brush handle. I am using these little plastic ties, and I'm looking in the viewfinder to see what I'm doing, as usual. So as always, if I'm not looking at you, I apologize. This is what it's like when I'm trying to get things done. I have to kind of look somewhere to see what I'm doing. So what you basically just need to do is make a ponytail. But what I like to do is just hold it so that it's going to be like a little poofy, and just round it out and like let it poof out and like poof it up as I'm putting it into the elastic. And then I round the elastic out. That's how you make the bubble, is by pulling the hair out. So I pull once in the back, from both sections in the front and the back, and then once from the sides so that you have an even bubble. And you can make that however large or small you like. I'm going to make mine pretty big. That's pretty much the way I like it. And then what I do is I'll just take a hair from the side here and I wrap around the ponytail holder. It looks pretty with the hair wrapped around. And then I just kind of twist it like this so that it's laying the way I want it. And then I take a bobby pin and just clip that in where the ponytail is. And you can actually do that up here as well. With like a loose hair, just go around this ponytail holder as well so that it's not showing either. And you don't like the look of the ponytail holder sticking out. And then I'm going to do one more. So I'm going to do 2 bubbles in total on both sides. You can do more than 2 bubbles. You can do this at the back of your head, like just 1 braid down. You can do 1 on the side. You can do whatever you like. So I just try to make sure that the bubbles are like even distance, the same size. So sometimes it does take a little bit of trial and error. It's supposed to be a little messy. I like hair when it's a little bit messy actually. So pull it through the hair tie. So just pull out from the sides first, and then from the front and back. Arrange it the way you like at this point. Like, that's the beauty of this, is that you can kind of play with it for a few minutes until you have it the way you want it. So I'm going to take another piece of hair at the edge here and wrap it so that it's covered. Problem with doing pigtails is that you now have to do the other side and make it even. It's like wing liner. And then secure it in place with a bobby pin. And as always, if you mess it up at all, you can always take the bobby pin out and redo it. So don't worry. Just keep going until you've got it the way you want it. And that's it. So that's one side done. I'm going to do the other side now. And then I'm going to start this one right here, just like it is on the other side. These ones are kind of deflating a little bit, so I'm just going to put them up a little more. Hold them, they kind of deflate, you just got to hold them up. And that's my bubble braid look complete. Like I said, not a hair professional, but definitely love playing with different hair looks, and I love this one. I wear it here and there and I get compliments on it. I guess it looks like it's kind of intricate, but it's really nothing special. Like you saw, I just made kind of 2 ponytails, pull, wrap around the hair, around the ponytail so it doesn't show, and there you have bubble braid pigtails. So I hope you enjoyed getting to see this hair look. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with all my videos as they upload. As always, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and that's a good way to get notified as I upload videos, so follow me there as well. Leave me a comment letting me know what kind of other videos you want to see. If you want to see any other hair looks or anything like this, let me know, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And I guess that's about it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!